I go out to a lot of direct connect to UCF campuses at Cocoa Beach, Ocala, out in Claremont, and I do workshops for people that are going to be your students that are going to be teachers that are enrolled in education degree programs. And my workshop is called How to Survive on a Teacher's Salary. And I share all sorts of hacks and tips. But whenever they see this slide, they always scoff because teachers don't even come close to the ranges that are on this slide. So this is the correlation between how long you stay in school, what kind of degrees you get, and your salary, your income, which we all know there's a positive correlation. But the part of the story that I think often gets lost is your immunity from being in a cycle of unemployment goes down every year of school you attend. So the green bar shows the inverse correlation between being unemployed and your level of education that you receive. Anyone that has ever been unemployed for 3 months, 6 months, knows that it is catastrophic to your finances. Being unemployed for 6 months can mean going into debt that would take you 5, even 10 years to pay off. Or even just having a foreclosure incident caused by the fact that you can no longer afford your housing payment sets you back because your credit score is terrible. You have to get a high interest car loan. I mean, the cascading effect of even short-term unemployment is so devastating that just being able to maintain employment, maintain your benefits, maintain your income is very, very important to financial stability and financial wellness. So I really like for students to understand that even if maybe they're in a major where they're not going to, they're not going to get the engineer salary or the programmer salary, if they can just be reliably employed over many, many years, it's going to be very good for their financial health. So now that I've depressed everybody, here's the good news slide. The cost of food's come down, the cost of clothing has come down, the cost of household appliances have come down over the last many decades. That's because of the outsourcing of manufacturing to cheaper countries. So it might not overall be good for the economy, but for the average family, it is good.